Sir Florison, good morning sir. Today, magbasa ko karon sa module sir. Pioneers and Victimology, Han von Hiting, 1852 and 1934. One of the pioneers and victims trying to discover what made a criminal predisposed to being a criminal. In his 1941 publication, von Hiting claimed the victim contribution to the criminal act. Victim contribution large result from the characteristic of social position beyond the control of the individual. Benjamin Mendelssohn, 1809 and 1947, a Romanian lawyer and after the credit in the father of criminology, Mendelssohn was fascinated by the dynamics between the victims and offenders. He used act as victims and witness and bystander to complete details and reviewing questionnaire before preparing a case. After examining the responses, found that usually this was a strong interpersonal relationship between victim and offenders. The father of victimology coined in the mid-1990s. Stephen Scrapper. He visited the victim's role in his book The Victim and His Criminal. Scrapper introduced the concept of foundational responsibility of the victim. In 1968, modified the typology provided by Hans von Hiting and presented in own classification, while Hiting tried to identify the verifying the factors describes it from the responsibility. Psychological factors also played a significant role in victimization. People with certain personality traits as low self-esteem and tendency to avoid conflict or a lack of assertiveness may be more vulnerable and victimization. Additionally, people with history of the trauma or abuse may be more likely to be victimized. For example, someone who has experienced domestic violence may be more likely to experience it again in the future. That's all, sir. Thank you.